Greetings friends and welcome to another story time with me, Miss Hannah. For today's story we are going to be enjoying Dear Zoo by Rod Campbell. Get your listening ears ready and without further ado, let's get on with the story. Dear Zoo. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a, what do you think this one is? It says fragile on the box. Shall we see? They sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. So I sent him back. So they sent me a, oh, let's have a look at this one. It's red, it says danger. What do you think it could be? Shall we see if you're right? A lion! He was too fierce, so I sent him back. So they sent me a, oh, I think we can see this one in the picture. What do you think it is? They sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a, oh, it's in a basket. What do you think is small enough to fit in a basket? Should we have a look? A snake. Oh. He was too scary, so I sent him back. So they sent me a, oh, I think we can see him. What do you think is in this box? A monkey! He was too naughty, so I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a, what do you think it is? Let's see. They sent me a puppy. He was perfect. I kept him. The end. I really hope you enjoyed today's story. What was your favourite part? If you could have any animal as a pet, what would it be? And why? Join me next time for another story. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Bye.